Hello guys, how do you do? Now let's determine the value of x from this exponential function. As you see here is 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x. Three identical terms are added, that is 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x equals 375. As you see here, identical terms can be added, therefore 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x which equals 375. Therefore, three identical terms when they are added, that means 3 times 5 to the power of x, which equals 375. As you see here, 3 times 5 to the power of x equals 375. In order to evaluate the value of x, divide both sides by 3. Here 3 cancel by 3. Here is 5 to the power of x equals 375 divided by 3, that is 125. As you see here, 125 is a factor of 5. Let's factorize 125 by 5. It gives 125. 25 divided by 5. It gives 5. Again, it's by 5. It gives 1. Therefore, 5. 125 means 5 to the power of 5 cube. 5 cube. Therefore, if a the power of b equals a the power of c, then b, which implies b equals c. Therefore, 5 to the power of x equals 5 to the power of 3 means x equals 3. Therefore, the value of x for the above exponential function is 3. Again, now let's determine another problem, that is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 162. Question number 2. Solution. Like the previous example, here is two identical terms, 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x. Therefore, 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x, that is twice of 3 to the power of x, which equals 162. Then divide both sides by 2. Here 2 cancel by 2. Here is 3 to the power of x, which equals 162 divided by 2, 16, 81. Again, if you think of 81, it can be divided by 3. Therefore, 81 divided by 3, it gives 27. 27 divided by 3, it gives 9. 9 divided by 3, it gives 3. 3 divided by 3, it gives 1. Therefore, 3 the power of x, 3 the power of x equals 3 the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 the power of 4. Therefore, if the bits are similar, we can equate exponents. Therefore, x equals 4. This is the value of x for this exponential function. If you substitute 4, 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 plus 3 to the power of 4 equals 162. 3 to the power of 4 is 81 plus 81, 81 plus 81, which equals 162. 162 equals 162. Thank you for attending.